Today it's not my lucky day at all. Hey guys, we are in Park Villette and I will take you with me in a ferry tour to discover this place, Canal. We will see some street art all along the way, and after we will do a graffiti workshop with the Parisian street artists here. A lot of things are waiting for us, so excited to share all this experience with you in this vlog, so stay tuned. Actually, I arrived super late. The tour starts at 2 p.m. Now it's 2:10. I think I will catch the ferry of 2:30. We will see. By the way, guys, this video will be streamed in YouTube and also in Kik. In Kik is the same name, Parisian Diaries. I want to show you different side of this channel, show you all the behind the scene during those live sessions. So if you want to discover how I film all those vlogs in this YouTube channel, go watch them in the live section or in Kik. Try to support us, because if we will have a huge community, I will bring the phone with me and we can interact in chat while filming the video. Okay guys, we bought the ticket, €2 for the ferry. This is the boat. I think it will be too hot. You can't even open the windows. It's a sauna, moving sauna. Also today they said that it's a heat wave, 33 degrees expected at this hour. We will see. Merci. To go outside, but I think there is no more place left. Maybe it's better from here. At least I can film from the window. Okay, we took a place here next to the window to try to film as much as we can street art. We'll see if we can catch good murals from here or no. Park Villette, let's say goodbye. So cool to say goodbye to people on the side of the road. We will try to interact with them, say to them goodbye, and you will see their reaction. Actually, this boat is moving too slow. You don't feel like you are on the surface of the water. But it's so cool, the experience, even if it's too hot. We really enjoy seeing the water like that. Oh, the guy there was swimming. Don't know, I think we can't swim here. It looks too dirty. Finally, we find the place outside. I will try to film. I think it's better to film from outside. But let's wave to the runner. They are very courageous to run under this hot weather. Tupac, Shakur. So cool there. Tupac and Biggie. Yeah, we just arrived at Park Bobigny and now we will go to see this graph workshop. Actually, I can't film this activity. They said to me that the guy is doing the activity, is doing an illegal thing, since it's graffiti and nobody wants to show his face in the live. So yeah, let's leave. So bad. I spent 15 minutes to do this activity, to film the workshop with you, and after nobody wants to get filmed. Let's see the other workshop here. Honestly, I'm so disappointed. I spent 40 minutes in the ferry to go here to try this graffiti workshop, but everyone told me don't film. Even the organizer didn't want to get filmed, so yeah, it was a useless activity. I will just now take the ferry back and go back home. Actually, I can't take directly the ferry to Park Villette. We are in this part. After we need to take a ferry here, so we pay €2 here. After we can't navigate in this area because it's a swimming area, so you need to walk 15 minutes. And after you take another ferry for €2. So the go back costs you €4 in a hall with 15 minutes of walking. It's honestly today it's not my lucky day at all. So yeah, I will go to take the metro. The metro is same 15 minutes of walking and after directly to Park Villette. That's it. I wanted to do just a random vlog video today, but as you can see, it doesn't go like I expected. Many people didn't like that they get filmed. So yeah, it's very hard to do live streaming here in Paris. I didn't know that. And in activities like that is sometimes kind of sensitive. I can understand because yeah, there is kids and it's not easy to film after. For that I don't do a lot of live session outside because it's really a hassle to do live like that because of image right in Paris. It's not easy to do vlogging in Paris, guys. You think it's easy? No, it's not easy. If you want to show the raw image of Paris, it's not easy. If you want to show your face in places, fancy places, you get authorization with the owner, but they are fake vlogs. Most of the vlogs that you are seeing in Paris are fake vlogs. They don't really show the raw, authentic side like we tried to show you. For me, it's like that. I just take my camera and go filming, no script, no asking people to fake emotion, anything, and sometimes doesn't go good because people don't like to get filmed, etc. But the problem when you ask people, can I film you? You already destroyed the spontaneously of an interaction because when they say no, they know that they are filmed, so maybe they are not comfortable in front of the camera, so they can't speak good, they are disturbed. It's the bad side of filming with the camera. Let's enjoy one last time this stunning view. It's so beautiful. And this is the view from the other side. Yeah, that's it guys. I will go to take the metro. I'm so disappointed about this vlog. I wanted to share with you the raw experience, but I couldn't film. I hope we will do other good vlogs here in Paris and film the graffiti street art scene from this wonderful city, Paris. Hope to see you in another vlog. À bientôt.